Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your brake on a 2017 RAV4, but it's the same for most of the RAV4s. Change the brakes, and the brakes I'm going to change is going to be the back brakes, so stay tuned. Give me a like, a love and support. Give me a thumbs up if I help you. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Alright, so you want to take off the hubcap. Alright. And by the way, this is an all-wheel drive model, and it's basically the same for the front-wheel drive alone. Alright, so this is going to be 21 millimeter to take off. Alright. Alright, so there's gonna be 14 millimeter. You have one right here, another one right here, and you also want to squeeze in the caliper. Alright, and in the meantime, you want to go ahead and put some WD-40 around here, and here, there, and around here. Alright, so let that go and let that soak in the meantime, and take out these 14 millimeter right here. Also, you want to squeeze in the caliper too. So you're squeezing the caliper. Take it off. Morning, brother. Morning. Take out these right here. Alright, after you take that off, you just hook that right there. And take out this 17 millimeter right here and another one right here to remove the caliper bracket. Alright. So that's what I'm going to remove right now. This is off. I realized mine come loose, but in case yours doesn't come loose, you want to get a hammer and you want to knock around the edges like that. Alright, and it will come loose. Okay. So this is the old one. You want to take out this rubber piece here. Take out this rubber piece, and you also want to match the size of the rotor with the new rotor to make sure it's the correct size. And you also want to match the size of the pads with the new pads to make sure it's the correct size, alright? And make sure when you put in these clip on the pad, you put it where it goes to the bottom when you install it. Alright? Because the piston go against this one right here. You also want to go ahead and clean the rotor. This is the new rotor right here. You want to clean it with brakes cleaner to make sure you remove the grease, the oil they leave on it during storage. Alright. Just spray it down with some brakes cleaner. I mean, you don't have to clean it if you don't have any brakes cleaner. That's fine, because when you drive, it's gonna heat up and you might see a little bit of smoke from it. That's the oil burning away, but it's the same thing. Brakes cleaner dry really fast, so you can wipe it or you can let it air dry. Alright. Install your new rotor. Install the rubber. Alright. And also you want to go ahead and install your caliper bracket. Alright, so that's good. You want to take out these things. I'll take these out. So these bring two different sizes. The differences are in here. Make sure you get the correct size. As you can see, let me see if I can show you on the camera. This part is smaller by a little bit, so you want to make sure you get the correct size. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my new pads. So the pads go like this. You want to clip this at the bottom, alright? So you want to clip this like this with the rear indicator facing that way. Install it. So that's how it look. Everything nicely in. You want to check this if it's free. You good? So this is free. That means you have enough. That means you have enough oil, enough grease inside. So no need to add grease. Same thing for this one. Just check them. If they move hard, you just take them out, grease them up, and go back. All right. Put them back. Put on your caliper. And putting back your 14mm bolts. them up. Alright, so after you tighten this up, you want to double check your work, make sure everything is nicely tight, all the brake pads are there, the rotor is on, double check everything. Alright, make sure you have your dust cap right here for your emergency brake adjuster. And time to put on the tire. Alright, so after that you want to put on your head cap. Make sure you have your valve cutout hole where the valve is, and now it's time to go pump the brakes, and that's it. That's how you do a brake job on a 2017, maybe 2018 down RAV4 Toyota RAV4. See you next time.